Today we will be creating an assignment and posting it to your Google Classroom. First thing you need to do is log into your Google Classroom. Make sure that you're in your classroom. And on the tabs at the top of your page, you're going to go to Classwork. And you are going to click on Create. You also have something called All Topics. This is just a way for you to organize whatever it is you're posting. If you look at our administrator's classroom, she has different folders in there. One of them says lesson plans. One of them says PLC meetings, and that's so that we can keep things separate. If you choose to do that, you need to create a topic for it. So to create an assignment, we're going to click on Create. There's the Topic tab if you want to separate your topics. An assignment is what we're going to do today. If you wanted to assign a quiz, you could assign it separately. If you just wanted to assign a question to your class and they just respond in a comment, that's the tab you want to click on. You can also click on material. Material is like if you want to share like a website or a video that you're not going to be grading or really looking at their work. Just something interesting. Maybe you want them to read something different. You can click on that. Okay. But for today, we're going to create an assignment, which you'll probably be doing this with the lesson plans that you're creating, that you're getting from the district. You'll probably be using those lesson plans to create assignments on your Google Classroom. So click on assignment, put in your title, so mine is called writing prompt. You can put directions. This is where I would probably add a link to a video if you're choosing to do that. So I wanted to create a link. I could just go and copy whatever link I want. And I might say something like this. Okay, so there are my directions. And then I'm going to copy and paste Control C. I did Control C for the link, and I am going to Control V to paste the link right here. Okay. If you want to add something, for example, I'm going to be adding a file that I have from my computer or from my Google Drive. If you have a file like a Word document, for example, I might actually have an anchor chart created. I can add it here so that students can access it. Or if you have a link or a YouTube video, I can actually link this video here if I needed to. Sometimes I put it in both just in case they can't access it one way or the other. On the far right, we're not really grading, so you can just leave the points as 100. You can set a due date when you want it due. You can click on a time, no due date, or you can select your own time. The topic, like I said, if you're going to put it in a topic, you can put it there. And then you just click assign. So you can click assign, or if you want to schedule it for a later date, you can. If you want to save it as a draft because you're not sure yet if you want to add it, you can do that as well. But I'm just going to assign it. And some of you might get it in your class assignments. You don't have to do it. It's just I'm practicing. And so if you look here, my assignment is right here. And when your students open up their computers, it will come up on their stream right here. It'll say Miss Reda posted a new assignment, so they can access it from there, or they'll get it in their classwork. And they will just click on it and it'll take them directly to the assignment. So if you look here, this is as a teacher. This is what it looks like. That was my assignment. Here were the directions. Here was the video link. And then I can view the assignment. It tells me that I assigned it to 13 people and 0 turned it in. As people start turning it in, you'll see this number change. And that's how you're turning in your lesson plans and your working logs to the administrators. They can see how many people have turned it in, how many people were assigned and haven't turned it in. If I wanted to view the assignment again, this is how you see it as a teacher. The students don't see this. If you see all my students are here from the past, it'll say assigned. Once they turn it in, it'll have a little check mark or it'll say turned in. And that's also how you know that it's been turned in. Other than that, that's basically how you would assign classwork. Thank you.